Okay, so you want to buy books, you want to read more, but you are not sure where to buy books with better price and with better quality, right? I have some tips and I'll let you know how do I deal with it, and I'll share my experiences on this. So let's get started. Point number 1. You want original books. Okay, in the market we have pirated books, we have duplicate books, we have original copies, right? If you prefer original books, no matter what is the condition, I mean, like, no matter if it's used and it's in a very good condition, then the solution for that is you can check out the local bookstores which have second hand books which are in very good conditions, and you will get them for very good price. Okay, for example, if a book is, the original price is, for example, ticket 699 online or wherever, if you buy them from the top or branded bookshops, you will get it for 699 in total, right? And if you buy it in second hand book, surprisingly you might get it for 300 also. Based on the condition, they rate the books that way. For second hand books which are the original copy, you need to hunt them from your local bookstores, or also I think there are some websites which sell second hand books also, so go check them out. So this is one way you can get original books. If you are okay with the price and if you don't mind paying them very high, so you can go to bookshops or bookstores which sell original books. Some of the options I can say are Sapna Book House, Crossword, and in Bangalore we have so many bookstores, Ganga Rams, Blossom Book House, Book Hive. Okay, every bookstore they do have new original copies as well. That also you can check out if you are okay with paying the full price. Also, you can order from online websites like Amazon and Flipkart. I think they have original books with good price. Okay, compared to buying books from the bookstore directly, like, I'm talking about new original copies, you can check out in Amazon. That is the best option, and also in Flipkart. But Flipkart, I think you need to check who are the publishers and make sure you are buying original books. You might get pirated also. I don't suggest to buy pirated books because I feel the original copies should be sold out more. I don't promote piracy, guys. I think for me personally, I feel secondhand books which are used and which are original are far better than these pirated books, because these pirated books are I think affecting the efforts that author and publishers are putting. And second, they might have some defect in the book printing, or sometimes the ink is not proper. I think it will spoil your reading experience, right? And also, it will spoil and affect the author's efforts, which I personally don't like it. And there are some other websites, right? Like they sell you books in bulk, like for 1,000 rupees, you will get a mystery box. That is also one of the option. But in the mystery box option, you might not get all the books which you actually need, right? So that is one drawback there, so might be mindful over there. Third option, if you don't want to have so many hard copies and stack it in your house, there are options like you can buy online books, for example, digital copies, for example, Amazon Kindle, Kobo, and audiobooks as well. So Amazon Kindle, the books are way more cheaper than the hard copy that you buy. And also audiobooks, it saves your time and you can listen to them while you are doing your regular work also. But mind you, all these online books are, I think you need to rent them for some time. I'm not sure, I'll check and let you know. But those are one option. But I personally prefer reading hard copies because I feel like I own those books with me. No matter what goes down, no matter what happens around the world, these books will be with me. Right, so I personally prefer hard copies. I personally don't prefer audiobooks because I think reading, I mean, holding a book and putting your all yourself into that book is what I enjoy the most. So I prefer hard copies to read, and yeah, I do sometimes get a Kindle edition if I don't get the hard copies. Only that is the only reason I'll go for Kindle or Kobo or any digital books, right? Fourth point is compare. Okay, I have given you so many places from where you can buy books, so you can compare. It's better always to compare. If you really want book in your budget, compare the price of these books in from multiple platforms, like go look into Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho and other websites that they are selling the books, and see what are the price differences. Also you can go and look into the bookstores. That also is a very good experience, guys. I tell you, like, buying books from bookstores is a different experience, and it's very calm, and I don't think online shopping gives you that experience. Fifth point, should you buy special editions? Should you buy hard binded copies of same book? See, for example, there is a book, it has paperback, it has hardcover, also it might have special edition. Do you need to buy them? Okay, I'll tell you the options. If you are having no financial issue, like if you're okay with spending lots of money on books, and if you have enough place to stack them in at your house, go ahead and buy hardcover. But if you are worried about the pricing, and if you value just the reading experience, not how the book cover looks, I think go for paperback. That's the best option. And if you don't have place at your house to store books, go for digital. That's how I feel. I have seen people buy different version of books that publishers publish just to decorate their library. um, that's completely okay, it's their choice, but personally I'm not that person. Think that there is a hardcover book, it's of 1500 rupees, but what I think is, I'll get 5 books which are of 300 each, that are second hand books, because I prefer those. So in the price of one book, I'll get multiple books and I can read multiple stories. Like, why will I spend so much of money on just looks of a book? That's my personal opinion, guys. I'm just telling you how I deal with all these questions that readers go through, right? So that's my opinion. So these were all the tips and steps that I take while I buy books. So if you want more, you can ask AI, because this is a world of AI. Also you can search online, and if you want more information from me, let me know in the comment section. If you have any questions, I'll do further research for you guys, and I can come up with more evidences. For sure I'll respond to all your comments, and we can discuss again on this topic. Did you like this video? If yes, please like, share and subscribe. You didn't like this video? Okay, I'm happy to take suggestions. Let me know what you didn't like about this video, or if you have any suggestions that I can implement in my video and my content. Please drop in the comment section. I'm happy to know that, and I can improve, and then I can give you more information, right? So that's all for today. Let's meet in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye.